Hi, this is Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom, and today I'm going to cancel the basic and the blue 100 word levels with membership. So what's going to happen, I'm going to combine the two and you're going to get more for your money. So it's going to be a better deal. You're going to get a ton of perks. So if you take a look, basic is chapters 1, 2, and 3, and chapter 8 of the Test Out Office Pro. And then you'll see over here I have some of the PC Pro, very few questions, and a couple labs. And then Blue 100, these are all the Microsoft Word test out videos. So the new level will be called Basic Blue, and it's going to be $14.99. So for the Blue members, it's going to be less. And you will get access to everything on the Blue level, as well as everything on the basic. And in addition, you're all going to get a free gift. So you can visit my website, misstodoric.com, sign up for the free mailing list. You'll see the link there, and I'm also going to put the description in the perks. And then I'm going to mail you a Supreme lanyard or a pair of business socks, depending on quantity. But I do have a ton of Supreme lanyards. You could pick your color, and then like a flyer or something like that. I'll just put a care package, all the members. And if you are like a green or like a red PowerPoint access, you can do the same. So everyone will get a gift, all my members. I just want to reward you and appreciate you. I know it kind of sucks not having things on public and my entire copyright and working it out with the company with Test Out and everything like that. So it was kind of a good and a bad thing at the same time, but I'm just so fortunate that, we can keep these videos, even if they are on membership. I wanted to show my appreciation and definitely reward you with gifts, and whether it's like a Avon catalog or anything business related, just kind of keep you in the loop, and every now and then just send you something in the mail. So the mailing list would be great. It's all free. The link is there, and it's just me showing my appreciation when you join. So once again, it's going to be called Blue Basic. So it's chapters 1, 2, 3, 4, and chapter 8, along with that gift. And then you're going to have access to all my podcasts. I started making podcasts, a little bit more about me, recording at my school's studio. So you're going to see a bunch of videos like that, as well as I have music videos and stuff like that I put on membership. So once again, thank you so much. Bye-bye.